No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. RS in red, look at that. It's a bit of me, that is. Oh, look at the number plate, RS red. Love it. An Escort with some big spotlights on the front. Smart. Sunroof. Don't sound like it's running right though, that one. Might be wrong. Fiesta with some spotlights on it. Thumbs up. Alright, mate. Sounds quite nice, that does. Cabby. Oh, tow bar. Followed by Mark 3 RS. That sounds nice. It's popping well. An Escort here, what's this? RS 2000? Another cabriolet with spotlights on the front. Oh, that sounds nice. That's smart, look at that. One seat in it. Followed by a Porsche XR3i and this beautiful red Mustang. Oh, just listen to that. Some more nice cars coming here, guys. Nice clean Mark 1 Focus RS, thumbs up. Few cars leaving now. Another Mark 1 RS. Oh yes. It's a nice Sierra RS Cosworth. No thanks, that one. Mark 3 RS with a super loud Mini that's just gone by. Sounded good, that did. Got the Stig on the back window. White Mark 2 RS. Oh yeah. Followed by this Escort. We've also got this Mark 1 RS. Northumberland it's got on it. Love the wheels. Got this black ST with gold wheels on it. That certainly went well, didn't it? And we missed a Sierra and a Mark 1 RS. Try and get everyone included. Wow, look at this Mustang. Alright. Looks like it's been in a zombie apocalypse or something. Oh yes. Somebody's off on a holiday. It's old Fiesta on the trailer. They've been rallying it. Nice Mark 6. It's clean Fiesta on the back. Cleaner than the one before anyway. Oh yes. Look at that. Shame we can't hear it, but we can hear this one. Number 86. Oh yeah, you can hear the LSD whining in that. Beautiful. And this DMAC Focus RS, WRC style, with the big spoiler on the back. And then we've got a Mark II facelift ST in black. Very nice and clean that. Mark III Focus ST with the green bits. How you doing? Alright mate. Little convoy there. And this XR following out. Focus RS in black. Now that looks mean. Alright mate?
Alright mate.
RS 500. Worth some money there. Escort RS 2000, followed by a Sierra Cosworth. He's only just arrived, he has. He's a bit late. Got a Mark III RS in blue, little wave. Not performance blue, although it says it on the number plate. Maybe he had a Mark II before he had the Mark III. And then we've got this beautiful XR from the XR Owners Club. Number plate covered over on that one. This new style Transit with a Mark VI Fiesta ST Boomerang. Followed by an Escort Cosworth. Hey, here he goes. Followed by a Mexico. Can he do better than his mate did? No, but it does sound good. So we've got another convoy of cars leaving here. First up, Mark III RS. Followed by the XR. Followed by an RS 500. Absolutely beautiful. We've got a Mark 7 Fiesta Z-Tech S behind it with a Sierra Estate, and then what's that, an old Capri? Nice Cosworth. Seen one in that colour before. RS 1600i. Very nice. Escort cabbie. Got a 2i and a 3i there. Look at that. What a beautiful colour. We've got a nice Sierra Cosworth, a nod from the owner. Focus ST. That one's loud. Shots fired. And we've got a Mondeo ST200. These are a rarity. So a little appreciation to those, because how many have you seen in this video? One. Right guys, so we've come to the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. That's enough from me and the Mondeo 2.5 that's hiding there. I'm going to get myself home, get myself ready for Tuna Fest, which is tomorrow, and hopefully get a video there as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, support the channel, and I'll see you soon.